Hello dear students, welcome to my class. We were studying lesson number 1 sentences. In previous period, yesterday we have written exercise A and today we will write exercise B. And exercise B is rewrite these sentences using the correct punctuation marks and capital letters. Students, in question number B, we have to rewrite these sentences. Okay, we have to rewrite given sentences using the correct punctuation marks and the capital letters. Students, we know that every sentence starts with capital letter. Means first letter will be capital of every sentence. Okay, then in the end of the sentence there should be full stop or question mark or exclamatory mark. Okay, but you can see here in question number B there is no punctuation marks, there is no capital letters. Okay, so what we have to do here, we have to rewrite these sentences using punctuation marks and capital letters. Okay, so see, first sentence is where is my book? Okay, so this is the sentence. So we will rewrite it with punctuation marks, using punctuation marks and capital letters. So W of where will be capital. Okay, so we will write here W capital. Where is my book? Where is my book? Okay, and this sentence is asking something to us. This sentence, where is my book, is asking something to us. So which punctuation marks we will put? Yes, question mark, because this is question. This is questions. That's why we will give question mark in the end. Okay. So the correct sentence will be where is my book? Question mark. Okay. Then second, how beautiful the rose is. How beautiful the rose is. So we will write H capital of how beautiful the rose is. How beautiful the rose is. This sentence is expressing sudden feeling. Okay. This sentence is expressing strong feeling. So this is exclamatory sentence. So that's why we will give exclamation marks. This is the exclamation marks. Okay. How beautiful the rose is. Okay. So this is exclamatory sentence. Then third, please come home with me. Please come home with me. So P should be capital. Please, then comma. Please come home with me. Come home with me. Full stop. Please come home with me. Then 4. I am not feeling well. See, I is small here. But I is the first letter. So that's why we will write I capital. I am not feeling well. Not feeling well. Full stop. Okay. Then fifth. I have lost my purse. Here also I capital. I have lost my purse. Full stop. Okay. I have lost my purse. Full stop. So like this, we have to complete sentences 6 to 10 also. Okay. Students, I have written here only 1 to 5 sentences. Okay. मैंने यहाँ पर बोर्ड पे 1 to 5 एक्सप्लेन करके विथ पंक्चुएशन मार्क्स एंड विथ कैपिटल लेटर्स लिखे हुए हैं. ओके, अनदर sentences that is 6 to 10 you have to solve, you have to write as a homework. Okay, can you write? Yes, I hope you will write. Okay, then we will solve क्वेश्चन नंबर सी. ओके, अब हम क्वेश्चन नंबर सी सॉल्व करेंगे. क्वेश्चन नंबर बी के 1 to 5 मैंने बोर्ड पे सॉल्व कर दिए हैं, 6 to 10 आपको सॉल्व करने हैं. ओके, now students, we will write exercise C, and in exercise C read these sentences and state their kinds. In exercise C we have to read given sentences and write their kinds. Okay, जो sentences यहाँ पे दिए हुए हैं उनके kinds हमें लिखने हैं. Okay, one is already done for you. Okay, one is already done. See, Australia is the smallest of all continents. Australia is the smallest of all continents. This is assertive sentence. This is assertive sentence. Okay. So we in this chapter we studied 4 kinds of sentences. First is assertive sentence, second is imperative sentence, third is interrogative sentence, and fourth is exclamatory sentence. Okay. हमने इस चैप्टर में 4 काइंड्स ऑफ सेंटेंसेस के बारे में पढ़ा है. फर्स्ट इज असर्टिव. ओके, वी कॉल डिक्लेरेटिव आल्सो. असर्टिव एंड डिक्लेरेटिव इज द सेम. ओके, देन इंपरेटिव, देन इंटरोगेटिव, एंड फोर्थ इज एक्सक्लेमेटरी सेंटेंस. ओके, नाउ वी हैव टू रीड दिस सेंटेंसेस and then we have to write their kinds of sentences. We have to write kinds of sentences. Okay, so assertive sentence makes a statement or declares something. Okay, assertive sentence make a statement or declares something. Okay, then imperative sentence. Imperative sentence expresses a command or a request. Imperative जो sentence होते हैं वो command या request express करते हैं. Then interrogative sentence ask questions. Okay, if there is question in sentence, so it is interrogative sentence. अगर sentence question पूछ रहा है, it means वो interrogative sentence है. Okay, and fourth is exclamatory sentence. So exclamatory sentence expresses a strong feeling. Okay, exclamatory जो sentence होता है वो strong feeling, sudden feeling express करता है. Okay, so let's read second. Be on time for dinner. Be on time for dinner. Okay, so this sentence is giving command. Be on time for dinner. ये सेंटेंस जो हमें कमांड दे रहा है. इट मींस दिस इज इंपरेटिव सेंटेंस. इंपरेटिव सेंटेंस. ओके, जो बी ऑन टाइम फॉर डिनर, हमें डिनर के लिए टाइम पे आने के लिए बोला जा रहा है. इट मींस दिस इज इंपरेटिव सेंटेंस. कमांड, दिस सेंटेंस इज गिविंग कमांड. देन थर्ड, I found a puppy in the street. I found a puppy in the street. This statement, this sentence is makes a statement. ये एक statement है. This sentence is giving information, declares something. So it is assertive sentence. Assertive sentence. Okay, then fourth, what a bright sunny day. What a bright sunny day. And see exclamation marks. So this statement is expressing strong feeling, and in the end of the statement sentence is there exclamatory mark. It means it is exclamatory sentence. Exclamatory sentence. Okay. Then fifth, do you know Asia is the largest continent? Question mark. Do you know Asia is the largest continent? Question mark. Means this statement is asking us question, and in the end of this sentence there is question mark. It means it is interrogative sentence. Okay, this is interrogative sentence. Then sixth, koalas live in Australia. Koalas live in Australia. Sentence sixth is giving us information about koalas, that koala live in Australia. Koalas जो है ऑस्ट्रेलिया में रहते हैं. This sentence is giving us information. It declares something. So this is the statement, and this sentence is assertive sentence. This is assertive sentence. Okay. So students, write answers of 2 to 6 in your book fast. Then we will solve other questions. Now students, sentence number 7. Can you pass this notebook to Shruti? Can you pass this notebook to Shruti? Question mark. So this is interrogative sentence. Why? Because this sentence is asking question and there is question mark. So this is interrogative sentence. Interrogative sentence. Then 8. Betty won the chess match. Betty won the chess match. So this is a statement. It is giving information. It means this is which types of sentence? Assertive sentence. This is assertive sentence. Then 9. Clean your room, Vishal. Clean your room, Vishal. Okay. So this statement, this sentence is giving order. Clean your room, Vishal. Okay. So order means command. Okay. So this is imperative sentence. Imperative sentence. Then 10th, isn't it a delicious cake? Isn't it a delicious cake? Isn't it a delicious cake? And question mark at the end. It means it is which kinds of sentence? Yes, this is interrogative sentence. But see here, not. Okay. So if in any sentence not, nor or never comes, it means we can say it negative interrogative sentence. It means हम इसे negative interrogative sentence भी बोल सकते हैं. ओके. बट यहाँ पर हमें 4 kinds of sentence के बारे में ही लिखना है, इसलिए हम इसे interrogative sentence लिखेंगे. बट यहाँ पर not आया है तो हमें याद रखना है कि ये सेंटेंस जो है निगेटिव है. ओके, निगेटिव है बट इंटरोगेटिव सेंटेंस है. ओके, सो वी विल राइट हियर इंटरोगेटिव सेंटेंस. Interrogative sentence. Okay. So write fast answers. Okay, completed students. So I hope you have completed till sentence 10, and remaining sentences from 11 to 22 you have to do as a homework. Okay, आपको क्वेश्चन सी के 11 टू 22 ये जो सेंटेंसेस है उन्हें रीड करके उनके काइंड्स ऑफ सेंटेंसेस भी आपको लिखने हैं. ओके, सो आई होप यू हैव कंप्लीटेड एंड यू विल कंप्लीट द होमवर्क. ओके, बाय.